Hey guys, I'm here to make a video about my Zippo, my customized or modified it or whatever, and I put this on it. It's a triangle thing where I can put a keychain on it. No, it's just a Zippo. Right there, it's a 2011. Got it at Walmart for $10, so I was just gonna see if I could make it. It's got a bottle opener and corkscrew and it'll be a knife. So yeah, it's a mess down there. I got a lot of crap down there. There's my Kansas City Royals hat over there, and yeah, basically what I did was I got a paper clip and I bent it in there, and then I put this on there. So this is what was in it right here, if you can see that. Yeah, that was what was in it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. So comment, rate, subscribe, whatever, you know. Later.